Won't be going anywhere else.
Okay guys, it's time to open up this baby.
It's like eviction number 4 now. Go ahead and dash it on the floor now. Girl, go ahead and show me how you go down. And I feel my whole body peeking. And I'm fucking anybody with their legs wide. Getting faded with some bitches from the west side. East coast, nigga rapping north side. Never waste a whole time. Bitch, I'm on my own time. Fuck a nigga cosign. Always change my number and my phone line. Baby girl, I don't lie. Used to have no money for the crib. Now my room service bill cost your whole life. If they try to slip me, I go all I'm military. I'm camoed out like I'm in the military. I'm free up all my niggas locked up in the penitentiary. Cause I'm always rapping for the low life. Rapping for the low life. Low life, low life, low life. No, I'm rapping for the low life. Yeah. Said I'm rapping for the low life. Said I'm rapping for the low life.
Stewart is picking up his GTR. Stewart, how are you feeling?
Absolutely A1, man. What a man. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you.
Top man. Top man. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very happy. Very happy. Won't be going anywhere else.
Wake up, take a sip of ace of spade like it's harder. I've been on the money in them sands, but your daughter. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. Bushes in the valley, I got Bentleys, I got Rarries. Taking pain pills on the plane, getting chartered. Popping tags and bags, I'm starving. Bitch, I got the juice and the carbon. Turn a 5-star hotel to a trap house. Roaches everywhere like we forgot to take the trash out. Flood my cross with ice, getting money, my religion. Got my baby mama and my side bitch kissing. I turn the wrist into a lean house.
It's absolutely superb. I had so many issues with the gearbox and that, and Alex has sorted it all out. I had some other bits and pieces done. Absolutely A1 now. So happy. Yeah. Gonna go and enjoy the car now. Gonna actually drive it now. It's been a year off the road, and I wish I'd have brought it to Alex in the first place, to be fair. Thanks so much, Alex. Thank you. You're a star, mate.
I can't feel my face, I'm on auto raw nauseous. Niggas trying to ride my fucking wave, now they salty.